Hi folks, this is Mary. I would like to show you this Thor product. This is a new 2022. It's a 23 TW. This is an all-wheel drive. It also comes with a generator. It's 4,000. And it's also pretty hard to steal it out of that unit right there. It's very tight to get in there. You do have extra storage under here. There you go. And it does have the Eco Boost, so you're gonna have a lot of power with that. So let's look inside. As you can see, very open floor plan. Lots of light through here. This is actually a skylight. So look at that. All that natural light that you're gonna get throughout this whole area. So it does give you a lot of light. And this is actually very comfortable. You do have storage over here and above. So you have enough room for 4 people to sit easily. You've got a charger here and little cup holders. Then this is a very nice feature here. So this is kind of like a Murphy bed. You're going to slide this out. Mattress is going to come down. So this is going to be a walk around queen size bed. You do have a curtain for privacy around here, and look at this huge closet. Amazing space here. That's something you don't find a lot of. Then you do have a TV right here. And then let's look inside the bathroom. Can you get inside here? Everything that you need in there, lots of space. And then you do have a full refrigerator and freezer up above here. And then a lot of counter space and cabinet space up above. So I just really like the way they do this. So here we are. This is a very comfortable Ford. It's going to be a great ride. You do have a really big panel here. I'd love to help you and your family get into a rig like this. Please, if you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Mary. Thanks.